Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 6 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to, or actually we do not have to scroll because we have to enter the display. Now let's tap on screen timeout. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got relatively short options, and at the bottom, the longest one, the never option, which simply means that your device will never black out. So it's up to you which option you want to use. Simply tap on it. So let me pick 5 minutes. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.